Today is moving day. I'm so excited. It is my last year in college, so I thought that I would document me moving in. I'm sorry if I look a mess. I literally just woke up. I'm excited. If you guys want to see my last year's moving day vlog, I will link that down below or up here. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get this day started.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed.
So I just finished freshening up. Right now, I'm just gonna change my clothes, and then we're gonna head over to Target because I have to get a few last-minute things. I have this college checklist list that I actually got from Target. They were giving them away, so I was like, heck yeah. So yeah, I have to get all of that at Target, so I'll take you guys along with me, but that's about it right now. I will see you guys when I'm at Target. I just want to show you guys a quick little outfit of the day. So I have these shorts from Hollister, and then I'm just wearing this yellow top from Brandy, and yeah.
Good morning, Rosa. If we switch to Metro, we can get it. What you doing, baby? Just $49.99.
Are you sad for me to be leaving?
Yeah, this time I'm really gonna miss you. I don't say like I did miss you last time, but this time I think we have grown closer. You know, like I really, like you have gotten into an adult, and we can really relate on stuff.
Well, while she's gone, we're gonna party. I'm gonna play some jams right now. I'm kind of sad, but I'm excited at the same time to be moving back in. It's kind of nostalgic because like it's my last year. I can't believe that I'm already a senior in college. Like it's crazy to me. But I don't know. I'm just excited for what's to come in my life, and I hope you guys are excited for this journey that I'm taking you guys on. But yeah, we're just gonna jam out right now because my mom's at the bank.
I got muscles like Superman trainer. Hey, real. Love how you hold me. At first, I was hesitant. Like a skeleton.
But you don't even know nothing about me. It's in my thick thighs. Lost when you look into my brown eyes. See my little ways can make you switch sides.
Target. Yeah. Right now we are currently shopping for things that we don't need.
Nice.
That's cute.
$54.
So it is currently 3:51, and we got back from Target. We went and did little errands, but right now I'm bringing down all my stuff. 3 suitcases, my shoes, all of my groceries, toiletries, all of that, and then there's more downstairs. My family's helping me move, and we're pretty much packed. This is all my stuff. This is everything. We're done. But yeah, so welcome to my crib. I'm kidding. So I packed up all of my stuff. As you can see, we are ready to go. Kind of sad because I don't want to leave, but I have to leave, so it's okay. Yeah, I'll just see you guys when we're on the road. So I am all moved in now. My parents left me. It was so sad. I'm sorry I didn't get to film anything. It was just really hectic trying to like get everything together, unpack everything. So yeah, I am finally moved in, as you guys can see in the clip. I will definitely do an updated room tour, but that's how my room is looking so far. If you guys enjoyed this little move-in vlog, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel to be a part of this little party we got going on. I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.